got influencers out in the wild. We gotta make a new compilation video. She's doing weights on Rodeo too. Oh, she stopped. She stopped.
That's pretty impressive for her.
We got this Range Rover with a Yo WCW license plate. Woman Crush Wednesday. All right, quick round of let's do a quick vote. Do you think she's hot or not in the Velar?
I'm gonna say not.
I think it's a dude.
Ah! One's a dude, one's not hot. I think it's a dude as well. Do you think they're gonna walk through?
Yep.
Do you think they're gonna walk through that broken sprinkler, or are they just gonna go around it? The woman's like, be a man.
Yeah, be a chick.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, you son of a bitch. She's like half his age too. Respect.
At least
dude.
hold the sprinkler for your daughter, man.
Whoa!
Wait, that's his
Whoa!
girlfriend, I'm sorry.
Oh. We're currently here at O'Gara Coach Motors. How much is this passion pink paint, Aaron?
$15,000 US.
$15,000 US. It looks pretty sick though. If we saw more Cullinans in this particular color, that'd be pretty nice. And we got a light blue one right over here as well. Check this out, hold on. Oh yeah. That's pretty nice. Whew. Good lord. Guys, check out this Segestria Borealis P13R 600 LT Spider. Quite the mouthful. Look at all these stripes here. I've got it on the bonnet, the roof, side mirrors, side skirts. And check out the headlining of the interior here. There you go. 1 of 10 in the entire world. Brand new here. Check out the rear spoiler. Look at that. Hold on. Whoa. It's a little funky. You can't really see it without having direct sunlight, but it is a dark green paint color. You can sort of, hold on. You can sort of, no? Can't see it, but yeah, trust me, it's definitely a dark British racing green here. Got a little close up of the side mirror here. You can sort of see the sticker. Right, hold on. Oh, right there. It's kind of billied off already. Shit. No sales tax in Oregon. It is pretty nice. We can't really see it, but it's a British racing green. Ooh, that's nice.
Very nice, but
Look at the Valley just like standing there like, what do you guys look, what's going on? Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron has done it once again. Aaron, why don't you just tell us exactly what we're looking at right over here? Go on now. It's a fake Ferrari. Take a photo. You might as well take a photo because you guys don't believe me when I tell you we see fake supercars here in Beverly Hills all the time. This is a Toyota MR2. Wait, we got to get a photo. Hold on. I got it. I got one.
Look, they're like looking at the girls in the Ferrari.
They're like, dude, check out my Rari, bro.
Listen to that thing.
Oh yeah, that's hot, dude.
I think I would compliment them on the
Are
on
you
the car.
actually fucking serious? It's a fake 360.
Well, he's cruising too.
He's cruising, dude. He's like, yeah, check out the Panini Cafe over there. He's cruising.
Nice 360, man. Nice.
What did they say?
He just started laughing. What year is it? 2000? Nice, dude. Is it a 6-speed? Oh, yeah. Gated? Yeah. Nice, dude. I love the 360. It's really good. It's Giallo, Triplio Giallo, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's green. You're good. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there it is. Can you get a horizontal shot?
Yeah.
Can you just get a, yeah, thank you. That might be a thumbnail, but that might be a thumbnail. That is the thumbnail. I think we got it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got the fucking thumbnail to the video that you're watching. The triple yellow giallo, whatever the fuck, 360 on it. There we go. They're going back. They're going back on Rodeo. Let's go back on Rodeo. Let's go back. That is the strangest Ferrari I have ever seen in my entire life. There we go. There it is. Guys, check this out. Oh, whoa. We got a Verde Scandal or a Verde Scene. Aventador SV here on templates. It looks like everything is starting to open up again here in Beverly Hills, but is this a Verde Scene or a Verde Scandal? I can't tell, but it looks pretty damn nice. Look at that. Ooh. Hold on, we're doing a little people spot here. Look, this girl is completely wasted. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, he did just leave her.
Left.
Wait, hold on. What? I think you're in both lanes, by the way. You might want to move just a little bit. No, you're good. You're good now. Wait, what?
Dude,
She just. Whoa.
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
He's coming back.
Get the fuck up.
Hear him?
He's like, get the fuck up.
Where should I park?
What the actual? All right, guys, we're currently here on Sunset Boulevard. We're gonna take a quick look at the fake 360. They parked it right in front of everyone here on Sunset Boulevard. Look at the emblem, look at the insignia, the Ferrari shield. Something is amiss with this particular car. They even got the Ferrari wheels. And here's the interior, yellow on yellow. Oh, even on the steering wheel, Nice. Look at that. Look at that. On the front, it's a little cracked. They're just having dinner right over there. Flexing the Rari. Oh my God. Help us. What the fucking hell? We're currently in a brand new, it's a 2020 BMW X7.
2021.
2021, excuse me, with Max Bell 40. Oh, we got one of those special edition McLarens that are for sale at O'Gara, but I'm gonna do a quick little loop in this brand new 2021 X7. Got pretty ample leg space here, leg room. Aaron, Max, how you guys feeling up front?
Getting blinded by this light. But
Behind us?
No.
Oh, the purple, the mood lighting.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty nice.
You can change it.
Yeah, switch it up a little bit. I'm feeling green right now. I'm feeling a little green. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ivy is making a comeback with a LaFerrari. Ooh, the plate says YOLO.
Reuters, protesters shut down a major highway in Atlanta on Saturday and set fire to a Wendy's restaurant.
By the way, guys, we're currently in an X5, not an X7. They all look the same. Fuck off. All right, let's see what this guy's all about. Let's see what this guy's all about here. Do a little something. Oh, that was weak. It sounds like
a kazoo in a bathtub.
it does sound like a kazoo in a bathtub. It also sounds like someone farting in the bathtub or something. Yeah. Nice
Wally's is pretty lit.
Nice little AMR over there. Let's check out Ilpa Style to my left here. What do we got? Oh, no, that's nice pista. Nice rolls. Is that a 550 or 575?
Looks like a 575.
Okay, nice mint green 911. And look at the Rolls Royce with the Mondo wheels. Look at the crowd here at Ilpa Style. Oh my God damn. What is this?
It's a Lincoln Continental.
A Lincoln Continental limo.
There it is. That's sick. It's got the lights. Nice. That's awesome, dude. Look at that. Nice little Canon spot in here. Restaurant Row. We're headed to Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive in the X5.
Not an X7.
Dude, that was a that was the coolest limo I've ever
That
seen.
was pretty sick. Yeah, it's
That
got
was,
the.
it looked exactly like the 70s Continental, which is an iconic car.
Yeah, they
So-
stretched that motherfucker.
Damn, dude, that's gangster.
That's wickedly well nice. Black on black, $599. 5% window tints with a matte black G-Wagon. I feel fuckery. Yeah. Oh yeah. We got people doing music videos on Rodeo Drive, flexing on the Jeep. There we go. There we go. Oh my God. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike. Last time we were here, we got Boot Gang doing a music video here, and he copyright strike my fucking video, so.
I'm gonna say 3.
1, 2, 3. What?
3.
Ooh, you're right.
That's so tough.
Respect.
Plays GTA.
What do we got? What do we got? There's just like one dude on the ground.
Yep.
The sheriff, there's cops.
What the heck? That's it?
That's it.
It's such a liability.
Wait.
I understand that. We can't search for her if she's in it.
Ooh, I don't know, man. It's not a good look. What's up? He's flashing his fucking flashlight at me. What is the point of that?
It's because of who they pulled over and the times we're in right now, dude.
Why is he trying to like, it doesn't blind whatever I'm filming.
He doesn't know that.